She's gonna be funny right now. Watch this shit, watch this shit.
What happened? What?
That's my locker, dude.
Oh,
Locker this shit.
that's fucked up.
What?
This is my fucking locker. But that's not my lock.
I don't get it. Isn't that your lock? Why'd you put it there?
That's not mine, dude. Someone locked. They locked my own locker.
Who?
I don't know.
You're confusing me.
That's fucked up.
Now you can't get your shit.
I bought my shit in here.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, sorry.
Oh shit.
Oh.
You want me to start recording?